So in this session, I'm going to give you the idea about one of the very popular framework, Spring, right? Spring is there, Spring Boot is there, right? It is really very popular. Nowadays, almost it is being used in almost each and every project. Clear? So why Spring? See, whatever you are doing in JSP Servlet, remember in using JSP and Servlet, I'm connecting to the database, right? Using JDBC programming.
Yeah.
And you may be writing a lot of code. Yes, you know? So whatever you have done with JSP Servlet, you can do the same thing with
Spring.
Spring as well, Spring framework. But what is the benefit of it? Spring framework makes your code very easy and very simple, right? Whatever complex code you are writing, you can do in one line. Oh my God. So your question may be then why you haven't taught me Spring directly, right?
Yeah.
Because if I teach you Spring directly, you cannot understand the power of it. Are you following me? You can only understand, hello, the benefit of good food if you eat bad food first. Yes, you know.
Okay.
Otherwise, you cannot make a difference in the taste. That's
Yeah, we
correct,
have to
man.
follow it from the base, right?
Suppose you are very hungry, you would say, "Oh my God, give me bread," right? Otherwise, I'll get die. But once you get the good food, then you'll make a choice. I don't
Yeah.
eat this. I don't eat that. I don't
Good.
like this. Make sense? Of course. So Spring Framework is a great thing. Yes, you know? Of course, man.
Yes, sir.
Question.
Okay, question. I like the
So,
question.
so are you saying that we will be only using Spring in the real world
Of course. And GSP Solid is the foundation of it. If you know GSP Solid, then you can understand Spring Framework better.
easily?
And Spring Framework internally uses servlet for some of the thing. Okay. So what is a framework? Framework means it is a ready-made features. Are you following me? In our real life, we also use the ready-made features. Yes, you know.
Oh
Suppose you
yes.
want to
Yeah.
make your home cool. What do? You go and install the AC, right? Yes, you
Yes.
know.
Yes.
So why you install the AC? Because you know AC is the something which is already available in the market, right? You cannot design your own AC. Make sense? Similarly, in web application, you need a lot of things, right? So you want to make those things yourself, or you want to use something which can provide you that feature ready-made available to you. Ready-made, ready-made. Yes, you know.
Yeah.
In your
Yes.
daily life, we always suppose you want to commute from one place to another place, right? You can buy a car, right? Simple. Or you will design a car. Tell me
Buy a car.
why?
It's
Because
easy.
it is easy.
It is easy. You have money and you can do it, right? If you
Yeah.
go and design it, you don't have time and you have to spend a good amount of time because
Mm.
that's not your job. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good. So Spring Framework, like if you want to do JDBC programming, you want to do other stuff, means whatever you are doing in JSP Solid by writing a lot of code, you can do in Spring Framework by writing 1 or 2 lines of code. Which one is good choice? Using Spring Framework, which has everything ready-made for you, or you want to write everything from the scratch?
Spring
Spring.
framework.
Spring framework.
Framework is nothing. It's just set up library
Mhm.
jars. Oh my God, what is jar? Jar is nothing. It's just bundle of classes.
Classes.
What is jar? Any guess?
It's a
Bundle of
bundle
Bundle
of
of
classes.
classes.
bundle of classes. So framework is a bundle of classes where we have ready-made feature which you can utilize in the projects, right? So what is a framework? Framework is a collection of jar, collection of library where we have ready-made feature and you can directly use in your project.
Right.
So guys, if any point or any keyword is not clear to you, let me know. Fine. So if you want to use Spring Framework, you need jars. Yes, you know, libraries. So you have two options in your hand. First thing, you can go and manually download the jar from the internet, or you need some tool who can automatically download jar for you. Which one is the good option? Manually going, searching it and downloading it, or you need some tool who can automatically download for you.
Cool.
Tool.
And the tool which I'm going to use for this discussion is either Maven or Gradle, right?
Great.
So, yeah, first time, honestly, I'm telling you, Maven I heard in 2005. Oh my God. In which year?
2005.
2005. And Gradle, honestly, I'm telling you, I'm just started to hear about it from last 3 to 4 years. right? And before Maven, we were using Ant as a project building tool. Oh my God. Hmm.
So that both works as a same framework, like, or they have
Both
different.
have the same purpose.
Okay.
Somebody would say, what is the Maven? Your answer should be all are the project building tool in one line. What, man?
Project
All
building tool.
are. You need to understand meaning of what is the project building tool, right? What is the project building? You tell me, if you want to cook something in the kitchen, right? There is a process or not to cook it. Suppose you
Yeah.
want to make a pizza. How will make it? You know,
Yeah,
there's
step
some
by step.
process, right? I'm very poor in that, so I cannot tell you the steps. But you know, right? There's some process, right? You have to, first of all, you have to make a base. You will cook it, right? And then you'll add cheese on it, and then of course you may be feeling hungry, right? Tackle like
Yeah.
this. Got it?
Yeah.
So project building means if you want to make a final bundle of your project, what are the different thing involved in that? And this you can achieve with the help of Maven,
Mm.
project
Maven,
building
Gradle,
tool,
and
right?
Ant.
If you want to cook food, you need kitchen. Yes, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
So similarly, if you want to build your project, you need this project building tool. Project building tool will make your job easy. In kitchen, you have everything there, right? If you want to cook something, everything is there. You can take the thing from there and you can cook it and eventually present it. Hey, Maven and Gradle is clear to you. You can say it is a project building tool and it can help you to develop some project, bundle some project, which you can eventually deploy it fast. No. My dear friends, it doesn't matter I'm teaching you fast or slow. As long as you guys are getting me, you guys understand everything, it is okay. So for definitions, hey, in this session, right? What difference between this session and some live classes? Sorry, some online courses. Here, difference is even you can ask some questions for small keyword and all. I can answer it. Yes,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ask questions. You should ask some silly questions, right? Here and again in 2005, yeah, something like that, which is not logical and relevant. Make sense?
Okay.
Not applying. So don't afraid with me. You just treat me as a very close friend, right? Hmm. Then only you can learn it. As long as you will afraid with me, you will think I will eat you. You will never learn it. Got it or
So
not?
these tools are only used for web applications?
Very good. This tool is used for web application as well as desktop application both. What is it? These tools used for web application as well as console based application. It's okay now?
Same with
People.
the Spring also, right?
Yes, sir. You can use this with Spring, you can use with Hibernate, you can use with JSF, you can use with Struts, you can use many more frameworks. Got it? So first of all, here, when you make a project, right, you can make a project in two ways. You can make a web project. You know how to make it, right? And you can make a web project with Maven. Which one is the good choice?
Web project
Means.
plus Maven.
Maven. Because if you use Maven, Maven can do magic for your project. Clear?
Yeah.
Right? So first, this Maven already present as a plugin in the Eclipse. So no need to do any installation for it. So far, whatever project we were creating, it is not with Maven. It is without Maven, right? Today we'll make with.
Maven.
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 Let's do that. Okay. So
Yes,
you want
sir.
to do it at your computer or you want to do it at my computer?
Your
Tell
computer.
me. Nice. Good. So people, the way I'm doing you, sorry, just the way I'm doing it, you just do it. Yeah, guys, the way I'm teaching you, I don't know. Do you think I'm teaching very fast and complex thing?
No.
Why other
No.
people left the session? Nah, I'm very afraid. So now onwards, I just wanted to know whatever people we have in the session, they are pakka or they can also live in between.
Okay.
Hmm? Hmm. Okay. So guys, what is my agenda? make a web project with Maven support. Right click, new. If you want to make a dynamic web project, you can do it. But my intention is creating a dynamic web project with Maven support. Make sense?
Yeah.
So here you can go to the other, where?
Others.
And here you can type Maven. Can you see this? Here we have three options. Check out Maven project with SCM, Maven module, Maven project. You have to choose
Project.
Maven project. Next, here we have some options. So you have to choose this option. Create a simple project, skip archetype selection. Just select this option and click on the next button. And here you have to fill certain detail. First one is group ID. Group ID is important when you create a multiple project, right? Right now we are creating one project. So group ID, you can give any name. Normally we give the package name. What man? Package name. Artifact ID is the project name. So what name you want to give to it? Any guess? I said, what name you want to give to this project? Not applying.
Spring project day one. I don't know.
Spring, Spring right? 2.0. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. And version. Every project you can give some version. By default, it is taking a snapshot. And packaging jar means you want to make a desktop project, and war means you want to make a web project, right? So we have three options: jar, POM, war. POM we talk about. POM stands for Project Object Model. Jar stands for Java Archive. Var stands for Web Archive. You understand the full form? Jar, Java
Yeah.
Archive. J for Java, AR for Archive. POM, Project Object Model. POM we use when you want to make multi-module project. This is in my agenda. We'll learn it as a part of project development.
Okay.
Okay. So here I want to make a web project. I can choose Web Archive. W is for Web, AR for Archive. Fine. And name, description, another thing you can keep
Blank.
blank. I don't know. You got confused so far. You can say recording is there and you can watch it.
So far, so good.
Oh,
It's clear.
can you go back, sir? One step.
He's saying I forget it. Cancel. Can you see this?
Yeah.
New. Other. Hmm? E. Then you can
Yes.
type here Maven.
Maven.
Recording is there, right? Maven project. Then next. And here you can choose. Nobody can remember it. I know that, right? But recording is there. You can watch it. So here you can give any name, man. I said already. Yep. 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 But this is the project name. You see this? And this is the version of the project. You can give any version of it, right? Snapshot means it is in development. We'll talk about snapshot in detail. Packaging, jar, war, or bomb. War,
Wow.
because I
Wow.
want to make a project. And this is my project name. Artifact ID is important because this is my project name, and project name. Now, which option we should do? Cancel or back? Finish.
Finish.
Finito.
When you click on it, my web project is created with Maven.
Maven.
My project name is this one. Can you see this? Wow. Hello. So you need to understand. Oh, no, it's not web design 200. I'm sorry. My project name is Spring Web 2.0. Right.
Yeah.
Here we have certain project structure. Can you see this? SRC main Java, SRC main. Can you see this?
Yeah.
So you need to understand the folder structure. Hmm? Oh man.
Okay.
What? You need to
Folder.
understand the folder structure. This is the Maven folder structure for web project. What is it? Hmm?
Hmm.
What structure I'm talking about? Folder structure for web application with Maven.
Maven.
Reply. When you reply again and again, again and again, right? So
Sir.
guys, for you, I would like to teach you Angular soon. What topic?
Angular.
Color.
This batch, I'll make more towards GUI. Okay.
Okay.
So SRC main Java. In this, as per the Maven, in this you are supposed to keep your Java file. Nobody can say what is Java file. I'll kill you. There is some questions for which I can forgive, right? But some questions for that I'll kill you. You know Java file, right? Yep.
Yes.
And in this, you can keep your configuration file. What? Config
Configuration
file,
files.
like XML file, JS. I'll tell you all this. JSON file, YAML file, right? Uh, TXT file, etc. And SRC stage Java. In this, you can write your JUnit test cases. Which test case? JUnit.
JUnit test.
I will teach you, right? Oh man, JUnit is one of the most important thing in the project. If you don't know JUnit, people will kill you. They would say, hey, you are not a good developer. You took some training from some consultancy. You got it?
Yes.
JUnit comes into two flavor right now, 4 and 5. So you will learn both. Okay, after it, you see this is the pom.xml file. Pom stands for project object
Module.
model. This is the file where you can add your jar which you need for your project. E, this is for what purpose? It keeps
Jar.
entry for, please help me. Entry for, can you help me? This contains entries for the
Jar file.
jar needed
Run the
for the
project
project.
for the project. Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. Got it. In web app,
Yes.
we will keep our web resource like HTML, CSS, other GSPs, right? You know it. In
Yes.
web app, what you keep?
JSP,
HTML,
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 CSS.
JSP,
JSP, CS. Nobody can
Div,
say
right?
JSP, JS
Content
file,
part.
etc. Right? Images, right? Everything will come here. Nobody can say I don't know all these things. Allah will kill you. Okay, you know it. So this is the typical Maven project structure. Got it?
Yes,
Yes.
Now
sir.
open the pom.xml file. Mr. Friends, open the pom.xml file. See, this is tag. This is called opening tag. This is called closing tag. Forget about other thing like model version, group ID, artifact ID, right? So
Yes.
this is the Maven pom. This is the heart of the Maven. Maven read every information from which file? Pom.xml
Form
file.
file.
So here packaging var means this will be bundled into your var file. So it is showing some error, but you have to follow my technique, right? So in
Right.
order to remove this error, what you can do, you can go in WebINF folder. You see the way I'm making the error, right? In this, first of all, in web app, you can make a WebINF folder. Which folder? WebINF in capital letter. You see the spelling?
yeah,
What?
NF.
In capital letter, right? And you have already created a many projects, right? So you can go and copy this file from some projects. Can you see this? Which file? A,
Web.xml.
this file you copy and paste over here. Spelling you understand? WebINF. Web, WEB, capital hyphen INF. It stands for web information. Hmm? Paste it. Okay, what I did? Deployment descriptor. I copy. This is called web.xml file deployment descriptor for the web application. I copy and this error is gone. Can you see this? Hmm?
Yeah,
I do not have any error. Do I still need to copy that?
Yeah, you can copy it. When you copy it, this error will come. That's it. Blindly you can copy
I
it. Okay.
yeah, but I don't have the error.
You have this file, right? If you don't have, I can give to you. Okay.
Okay.
Another thing is here you can mention which version of the JDK you want to use. So you want to use which version of the JDK, either 11 or 10, 8. So here you can write Java Maven plugin. Are you following me?
Mhm.
See, I'm Googling in front of you. If I want, I can
Download.
copy it. Sorry, I can copy paste. Please, you have to help me. Which version of the JDK you want to use? 8 or you want to use 9, whatever you want to use, you can use, right? So if you allow to me, I'm going to use Java 11. Got it?
Yep.
You have to always say, I got it, right? Well, there's a lot of website you can go, and there's many way to do it, okay? Oh, I'm struggling to find it. People. Can you see this? Like here we have this tag property. You can go. I'm trying right here. This is for what purpose? I want to use Java 11. So when you modify the POM, right click on it and go to Maven and update project. Can you see this? Right click on the project,
Yes.
go to Maven, update project, and force update for snapshot release for when you update your pom.xml file. So what happened? Like here it's showing a J2SC 1.5, right?
Yes.
Still it's not updated. It should be ideally should be 1.1. I don't know. For 11 it's not taking. Let me try some other thing. Okay. People, you can use 11 the way I'm showing you. What I'm going to do. Let me see in other project which version of it I'm using. Clear? Don't take tension. Whatever version you want to use, you can use it. I'll help you. Okay, not a big deal. Here I'm using Java. Which version, sir?
1.8.
You can also use it. Okay, not a problem. It's not going to cause any issue. You see in property? Yeah. I want to go and update it. Maven and update project, and here you choose force update for snapshot slash releases. Ideally, it should be converted 8. There's some issue with my Eclipse, okay? Got it? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Dated, it should be 8. But anyway, I don't know why. It may be my editor speed or whatever, but it's not working for me. Okay, done. So guys, in this, if you want to download some jar, so which jar you want to download? Somebody is saying, can you download the jar from MySQL connector? I'm just asking. Which
Yeah,
jar?
Yeah.
MySQL
connector.
dependency Maven. You see the magic? Oh man, dependency. You see? Copy it, and then you can come over here. Here, first of all, you have to add a tag, dependencies, parent tag. Can you see this? Dependencies mean you can put jar inside it. So what jar you want to download? MySQL. Can you see this? Reply. This is my
Wait.
dependency opening tag and this is the closing tag. This is XML file. Every opening tag will have closing tag. See? The tag it is open and the tag it is going to be closed. This is dependency. Dependency is for jar. So here I am adding dependency of what? MySQL.
Jar.
Yeah. So when you save it, automatically it will go and download from the internet and you can see your jar by right click, Maven, and you can say go and update project. When you do it, automatically it will download for you. And here you can see the jar file of it. Let me show you. Guys, there is something wrong. It's not updating for me. My bad luck. My good luck. No worries. Something is wrong.
Professor. Yeah. What is an error number 14?
I just wanted to know. I was updating some different project or this one. Give me a second. T Maven update project. Just wondering. No, no. Yeah, you're saying something. Please go ahead.
No, I said error on number 14.
Yeah, this error, yeah, error is coming. We have to remove it. Let's
Okay.
ask, hey, why error is coming?
Yes.
Probably
It's
you're gonna
saying
have to restart this Eclipse.
no, no, no. It's saying, it's saying this jar is not there. How dare he? I can add something else, okay? Please, can you help me? No. Okay. No worries. Do not help me. I'll help myself. Hmm? Here, I want to go and use this dependency. Are you with me? The dependency which I Googled, that version is not there. Make sense? Hey, this is there. Say yes. So I'm going to
Yes.
download here. You see, it become Maven dependency. You see magic? Earlier it was not there.
Yeah.
It just came because of this tag. So if you open it, jar is here. Can you see this? Magic. Hello. So
Hmm.
this jar is coming from where? From the internet. If you allow to me, can I add a jar of the spring? Even you don't allow to me, I'll add it. Apply. I'm going to add what, man? I want to add dependency for Spring project. So if you see my Googling style, it's saying add this jar and enjoy. Wow. So which jar you have to add? This one. Got it?
So you do
This is an art. You learn slowly, right? It's not like anybody can learn it in a day. So when you save it, this jar, this jar is not here. Am I right? Save it, and you see automatically it will come from the internet over here. You see my style? I just click on the save button. Oh my God. Hello. You just put one dependency. How many jar came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Magic? Second again. You should say magic.
magic. So I have a
Magic.
question.
Please.
So you're doing you're adding dependency because your Eclipse is not working, or like we have to do this
No, no,
every
no,
time?
no.
So we download
Eclipse.
the jar from
Yeah.
online, and then
Internet.
the
When you put it, Maven automatically go and download it from the internet.
okay.
And putting in this location in C user java hung.m2 M2 folder, there's a repository. In that repository, it is downloading all the jars.
So you do this for
Nice.
every other project, right?
Yeah. Every time you have to do the same thing.
Okay.
So now my project is ready with Spring. So I'm able to set up Spring web project with Maven. So you guys are supposed to do the same thing, okay? Hello?
Okay.
But it is not updating Java version, right? Just 1.5 there.
Yeah, it's not updating it just for me, but for you it will work. You can try. Okay.
Mhm.
I don't know. There's something wrong. I don't know what's wrong is. I'll make it happen. Okay, no worries. Are you following me? I'm just doing it. It should happen automatically, but I'm just doing it manually. Can you see this? How? Right click, property, and from here you can update it, right? Right click, property, and build path, and here. Recording is there, you can watch it. See, yes?
Yes.
To become a Java developer, so you should know how to play with editor and how to do the settings, everything done. So I'm able to set up Maven project with Spring, right? Anybody have any question query? No. You have
This
to try
depend
this also, okay?
this dependency here, property Java 1.8. I mean, we're not using it,
Yeah.
right?
Here I'm using 1.8. So see, here we have 11 because we have set it manually, but Maven will use 1.8.
Oh,
Are
okay.
you following me?
Mhm.
So no worries. You just try, and if it's not working, take my help. Like here, I want to make a Java project, okay? See, I have different teaching style. I haven't talked about why Spring we are learning. I just said in one line, Spring makes your job,
Easy.
Easy.
right? You're asking again, tell me what is a car? I'm saying car is a very nice thing which you can use for
Commute.
Running.
commute purpose, right? You can commute from one place to another place fast and in safer, way, right? Safely you can reach from. Yes, you know?
Correct.
Yeah.
In US, everybody has a car. Is it correct? No?
Not really.
No. Not
At
everybody.
least you should say yes, right? If somebody is asking. Yeah, I have
Yes.
many cars. Come to the US, I'll show you. Hmm? Okay. Why you become serious, man? I'm just kidding. I'm very sure after a couple of years, everybody will buy a car. And you can send those pic to me, okay? On my WhatsApp number. Sir, you
Sure.
are right? I bought a car today.
It's hard to buy.
Reply,
It's hard to buy
reply.
a car. The gas price has gone up too much.
No problem, no problem.
Buy
You'll make
electric car.
in IT, honestly, I'm telling you, you'll make a lot of money once you get a good job and you'll learn the thing, okay? That's why everybody is here. Everybody is here to make money. Say yes.
Yes.
It's not
Say
like
yes.
Yes.
we are for social service. No,
No.
everybody is here for making money. Simple. Okay. And of
Yeah.
course we should make it because money is the motivation,
Yeah, nothing wrong
Yes.
with that.
at least for now. Okay. Please, can you help me? I want to make a program. Okay. I want to make a dog, right? In A, dog is a class, right? You can make a dog, and this is the package name. Please, my package name, com.p1. You know dog? Yep. Oh man, already you have make mini program on it. Say yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Color.
Dog as color, that's it. I have a dog name with color, so you can make a constructor. All right. What is a constructor? Constructor is a special method which is used to initialize the object at the time of its
Runtime
creation,
creation.
right? And this is called default constructor and no argument constructor. Who will tell me?
This
No argument.
no argument.
Very nice, because default constructor is only added by compiler.
Compiler.
And here I'm just creating a toString method. Which method?
TrueString.
String.
ToString method. You know it. ToString method is a special method which is implicitly invoked when you print the reference of an object. That is true. Oh my God. ToString method is a special method which is coming from the object class. And object class is a parent of all the classes in core Java. So guys, I have certain question for you, right? This program may be super duper easy for you. Yes or no? I'm just
Yeah.
making a very simple thing. Say yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then again, you are wasting my time. Why you are teaching me these small things? Here. So guys, here I'm making an object of dog, right? Using new operator. And here you can pass the parameter dog. Sorry, I hope nobody has this name over here, right?
Mhm.
There is white. Yeah. Excuse me. Here we are making the object of dog, right?
Dog.
Who is making? Programmer, right?
Yes.
And who is initializing it? Programmer is passing all these parameters, right? Then programmer is just what? Just calling a string method, and we are making null. When you make any reference null, then this dog object will be eligible for garbage collection. What is it, man?
It will go
Hey
for the
dog,
garbage collection.
hey dog object, I want to kill you. I wanted to kill you. Are you following me? So when you make dog null, this reference become null, and this so you cannot point dog anymore. Yes, you know. Now
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
we can't point or refer this dog anymore, right? So so once you make dog reference null, it will be eligible for
Garbage collection.
eligible for GC. That is called
Collection.
garbage collection. Okay, got it? People, you got this much?
Yes.
So you just go and do practice of this much and come tomorrow by laughing. Okay?
Okay.
See, so far I haven't taught you why Spring. I only said Spring is framework which can make your job easy. Whatever you have done in JSP Solid so far by writing a lot of code and abusing us, right? You'll enjoy with
Yes.
this. You may be thinking, my God, what boring thing he's teaching us, right? And many people left. They basically go back to the pavilion, right?
Yeah.
Hey, you're not replying. Just be very excited, man. I'm telling you, best way of learning is when you come for the session, first of all, you should be very energetic, very excited, like a small kid. Remember, you have seen the small kid when he
Yes.
used to go to school in the morning, very enjoying. Mommy, mommy, daddy, I'm going to my school. Just make me ready. Yes, you know?
Mm.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Sometimes when
Not
I'm not
really.
getting reply from you, you know what I'm thinking is I'm thinking I'm very, very old person. I'm thinking something different from everybody.
So, no, sir, I have a question.
Please.
Yeah. So we just created dog and like dog main, but like what like how can we relate to this to that Maven project that we?
Yeah, we are not using Maven anything so far.
So this is.
We have done setup, we have prepared the kitchen, we bought everything in the kitchen, but we haven't cooked anything.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay, okay.
right?
We,
So tomorrow I'll give you answer of all the questions. Why I have wasted your time so far, right? Everything I'll answer tomorrow. But see, I'm not in a hurry, right? I don't want to teach you so many things all together and you may be, running behind. No, you just do it, and on top of it, you learn other things. But still, somebody wants to learn more. I'm just saying the link. You can go and watch it. Thank you so much for your time. In next session, we'll cover next topic. Thank you.